Welcome to the CBCA Education ProQuest Basic Search tutorial. Use headphones or speakers to listen to the audio. In this tutorial we will cover the following: the ProQuest search interface, basic keyword search, viewing results, understanding a search record, accessing documents, citing documents. CBCA Education indexes the principal education literature published in Canada, including the types of documents and subjects listed below. The default interface is the basic search. It also shows that we're searching the CBCA Education database. Note the database interface is available in many languages, although the results will still be primarily in English with some in French. We are interested in finding scholarly information on blogs and literacy, so we enter those search terms. ProQuest automatically looks for all our search terms, the same as putting "and" between each term. This gives us 221 results. It asks us if we meant blogs literacy, although I'm not sure why we'd want to search a misspelled word that returns 0 results. Our search terms are highlighted, which is useful for seeing where the database is searching. Also note that a number of the articles refer to media literacy, visual literacy, etc., different literacies from the type we're looking for. Limits. Once we have some results, we are given the choice of limiting them. In this case, peer-reviewed and scholarly journals are good choices because our instructor has asked us to use academic articles. Peer-reviewed means other scholars have approved the articles before they were published. Scholarly journals refers to the intended audience of the journal. This reduces the results to 163. Use the full text limit with caution, as it limits results to what CBCA has in full text. Full text for an article we want may be available in another library database. Let's look at some of our results. If we want to see what an article is about, we can mouse over Preview, which opens an abstract of the article, a summary which is useful for judging whether we want to read the whole article. If we click on the title, it opens the complete article in HTML. CBCA will translate the abstract or HTML full text into a number of languages. Note that this is machine translation and is intended to give you an idea of what the article is about before you read it in English, and for your amusement. Clicking on the issue number opens the complete issue of the journal for that date. This can be useful if it's a special issue where all articles are on one topic. Clicking on the PDF link opens a version of the article that we can save and print. See Similar Documents is a way of searching for articles similar to our first search. We can use these links to print the article, email it to ourselves, export it to a reference manager such as EndNote, or save the HTML full text as a file. Cite is a useful time saver. We can choose one of a large number of styles such as APA, Turabian, or MLA. And copy and paste the formatted reference into our word processing document. Be sure to check the formatting against the style guide to be sure it's correct. Note the link in the citation is a permanent link back to this article. This concludes the CBCA Education Basic Search tutorial. For more search tutorials, go back to the menu.